Ramen should you choose? Oriental or chicken? Alright guys, this is a tutorial of how to make ramen in a microwave. First, you have to start out with a bowl. Oh, there's a bowl. There. Now we have the ramen in the bowl. Okay, now we put the ramen in some water. This is so stupid. Okay, so now you take the flavor package chicken. You open it. Now you open it. You open it. I didn't open it all the way. Okay, so now we have the ramen with the chicken flavoring and the water on it. I do 2 minutes and 33 seconds because it just saves time instead of doing 2 minutes and 30 seconds because your hand's already on the 3 and it doesn't matter. So, yeah. It's done. Now we got some super hot water that can give you burns, very bad ones. And me, I don't really like the soup, broth, or whatever. It has tons of sodium. So I pour most of it. And now, now you just mix it all up. Then you got ramen. Guess what? It's done. Ha. And it's just that little broth. So my name's Shane, and so subscribe to me and do comment, like. Would love your feedback, and bye.